Hello! You already save a lot of money every year thanks to our videos, so save on car parts too. Buy them on the Mr. Auto app. Shipping is free!
Turn your engine off and pull up the handbrake. To increase the lifespan, we would suggest never touching the glass with your fingers or cleaning them carefully with paper towels before putting them back. Pull on the bonnet release lever and open the bonnet. You should now have access to the bulbs in the headlights. To replace the indicator bulb, remove the upper plastic. Hold the tab with the ends of your fingers and turn it towards the left. Everything should come out very easily. To remove the bulb, all you have to do is pull on it. Do the same but in reverse when putting the new bulb back in. Put the rubber cover back on. To replace the light bulbs for the dipped beams, remove the lower plastic cover. Push the tab on the connector which holds the bulb, then extract the hole by making small back and forth movements. Take the light bulb in your hands and pull upwards. Put the new light bulb in its place. Insert everything into the headlight and push down to lock it in place. Put the rubber cover back on. To access the high beam and side lights, it is necessary to open the flap located on the mudguard. Remove the plastic cover and pull on it. Take the black power terminal and pull on it to disconnect it. Then undo the bulb. You must move it towards the outside of the clips and hold in stud. Then remove the bulb. Replace the light bulb by putting the flat side of it downwards. Then move the metal clip back up. Reattach the connector. To replace the light bulbs of the side lights, we advise using needle nose pliers. Take the black connector on the light bulb and make a turn anti-clockwise. To remove the bulb from its housing, simply pull on it. Put the new bulb in place. With the pliers, insert the light bulbs in its housing, turning it a quarter turn clockwise to lock it in place. Put the rubber cover back on. Close the access flap. Operation completed.